Bobo. His foot's sticking out. We're all ready for bed. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Say hi, Mimi and Bobo. We love you. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. There you go. She waved. She's doing good. Just chilling. All ready for bed. Oh, I love that. She said hi. And she misses you. That's what that all translated to. Alright. Let's say good morning and good night and have a good day and all that good stuff. Love you. Bye. Love you. That was a bye. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Gotta get it all in for you guys. Okay. Have a good night.